Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it, click I accept, choose Confirm, click on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Send on an Android and Receive on Samsung. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will just click on this one picture, click Send and tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon on Samsung, select Allow while using the app and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into Folder My Files, select in my case Images and click on Send Anywhere. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!